Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use proxy in Premiere Pro. So if you want to use proxy in Premiere Pro, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So select the footage in the project panel, select the high resolution footage you want to create proxy for. After that, right click on the selected footage and choose proxy. Create a proxies. After that, in the create proxies dialog box, choose the format, which is H264, or probably you can also select the resolutions to be medium or low. Save the proxies next to the original media, and after that start media encoded. Adobe Media Encoded will automatically open the start creating the proxies. If it doesn't start automatically, click the green play button. After that, once the proxy are created, go back to the Premiere Pro and toggle the proxies button in the program monitor to switch between the full resolution footage and the proxy version. And after that, use the proxy version for editing to improve performance when you were ready to final export. Toggle back the full resolution footage, and that's how you can use proxy in Premiere Pro.